Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Umar. I'm 24 years old, and I'm from Banjarmasin, Indonesia. I'm studying in Malaysia. I've been studying in Malaysia since 2013, late 2013, when I took my bachelor degree in business administration. And now I'm currently taking my master's degree in Euro-Asia Business in Asia Pacific University, Malaysia. Okay, today I want to share my experience on how it feels like studying abroad, especially in Malaysia. Okay, here English is like a second language basically. People use English everywhere, like everyday conversations, when doing transactions, or by my case, it's studying. And yes, my university use English. And basically, most of international college or international university uses English as their main language, from lecturing, tutorials, and doing your assignments. So this is why English is important for me and for you as well. And I use English not only to attend my classes, also to interact with my friends, to make friends, to do assignments. It's really helpful to be able to speak up and just make friends in order to do your assignments, especially a group one, because that's a tough one. And I remember, practicing your English makes it perfect. Always do practicing everywhere, like maybe in your head, or maybe you speak up a little bit. Just try to practice your English. Doesn't have to be a formal education or in school. Maybe we've been taught in school to learn English, but it's not a good way, I think. Most of us don't know English when we graduate high school, even, yeah. And you don't have to be in a formal education. I mean, you can learn from everywhere, anywhere. Social medias, English movies, yeah. And even playing games, you can learn by several ways, not only by attending school or university or a TOEFL or whatever, it. And then just try to speak up, because English has many benefits. Not only for students who study abroad. I mean, for non-students as well. When they graduate, they have difficulties to find this a job, a workplace. When you know English, you can write in your CV that you can speak and write in English. That's a plus for your CV. And basically, don't be shy to speak up, and then just speak up in English everywhere, every day. Yeah, don't be shy. When you don't have friends to speak with, just speak to yourself. Just speak to yourself. And if you're still shy, just speak up in your head, like, yeah, what am I going to eat today? Like, yeah, whatever, it. And then basically that's it. I mean, that's my experience studying abroad, and why English is important for me and for you as well. Okay, see you in other videos. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.